Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Open Chrome for best compatibility and sign into your Google account. Once signed in, click Meet. Google, Com, or the Meet link and choose Join or Start a Meeting. Make sure Mac OS prompts to allow camera and microphone access. Grant both so audio and video work. Also, check Safari if you prefer it. Enable camera/mic in Safari settings for this website. These quick steps get Meet running and avoid permission blocks that prevent you from entering the meeting. Once in the meeting preview, pick your MacBook Air's built-in camera and microphone from the device menus so you don't go live with the wrong input. Then open Meet settings via the three-dot menu, test speaker output and microphone levels to confirm others will hear you clearly. If Meet offers noise cancellation, enable it to reduce background noise. This helps in busy environments. Finally, position the laptop so your face is centered, and lighting hits you from the front for a professional look. When you're in, select the layout that matches meeting needs. Grid for many attendees, spotlight for a single presenter, then share your screen via Present Now if needed. Start recording or enable captions if the meeting requires notes or accessibility support. If audio or video fails, first leave and rejoin the meeting. Make sure system settings still shows Meet with camera and microphone access. As a deeper fix, restart your MacBook Air and update Mac OS or Chrome. These steps resolve most persistent hardware permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.